Hey everybody, it's Newfie from Newfie Loves Luxury. It is Saturday. I've just been shopping and finally something has arrived in the mail and I want to share it with you. So thank you for being here and watching this video today. Please think about liking, subscribing and commenting below on any of the things we talk about today. And let's get into today. Okay, so a little bit of story time. Sorry, I feel like I'm on an angle. It's because of where I put my camera. I am very random where I put this camera. Anyway, so I bought something from Louis Vuitton from By the Pool collection, but I bought probably the least expensive thing on there, not because of that. I usually love the bright colours and the By the Pool. For example, like this, as you've ever watched my channel, this is the marshmallow that I bought a number of years ago, which is from one of the By the Pool collections. It is one of my favourite prints, colours, designs, bags. I love everything about this bag, with the exception that it's coated canvas instead of leather. I know they did bring out a leather one a few years before. So I definitely do like By the Pool. By the Pool is definitely something that I love. But this year's prints, not so much. So weird thing, I had this delivered and it took about 3 weeks, which is really unusual. So I rang them and said, oh, it hasn't been delivered. Anyway, my local post office had it the whole time and I did not know. They said that DHL tried to deliver it and I can tell you they absolutely did not, because I have cameras around the front of my house and they didn't even try to deliver it. So I don't know what was going on with DHL. But ever since watching Meredith's video, it scares me, but of course this item is definitely not a high value item, but it's still something I paid money for. So anyway, let's get on to today. So you all know the Louis Vuitton, but you know, just in case you don't, even the little boxes, they come like this. Now I opened this last night to make sure that when it was from the post office it actually was my piece, which it was. So I just wanted to put it back in here and show you. I've taken the ribbon off. This is the piece, which I will show you in a moment. As usual, they have like just the envelope with all of your receipts. This was the ribbon, which is the By the Pool ribbon, which I don't keep all the ribbons, but I do keep the ones that are a bit different. Let me just show you. It's cute. That's cute. So that's the ribbon. And also they send you a bag. Even though you've bought it online and they ship it, I guess it's just in case you want the bag, so you have the experience of being in the store. Now I'm not going to open this bag, I'll just show you. Like, I really like this because orange is one of my, I like the colour orange. I like the colour pink and I like lots of colours, not blue. So anyway, I just thought the bag was kind of cute. I like the waves. It feels very, By the Pool. It just does. It's, you know, I really like that. So yes, cute. Sometimes I use these bags to store things in my office, but also in my makeup room. Sometimes I open them up or I put them, I know it sounds funny, but if it's a really cute little one, it looks nice on the wall. Anyway, so also I will keep this box. I don't keep all the boxes because you have too many and you don't know where to put them all. First world problems. Anyway, I like these because they do, I think I bought something else and it reminds me of the old office days in the old days when you have internal mail and the envelopes had this little thing, and it reminds me very much of that, of stationery, which is kind of funny. So yeah, so you open it up, take the elastic off, and here we are. So let me give you a bit of a show and tell of this. So it's got the orange elastic strap. It is canvas, I believe, coated canvas. It feels, it's going to sound really funny, almost furry. But anyway, that's the side, that's the back. It has the little orange strings so you know where you're up to in your book if you do use them. So you take that off and you open it. So I do like this, and I like to have a piece of By the Pool, but this wasn't really, even though I like orange, this wasn't really the colour I wanted in a bag. Not this print, it was too busy, I thought. And this is really pretty in a book, but too much on a bag in my opinion, just my opinion of course. But I really like the flowers. I'm just going to come a bit closer. Can you see the Eiffel Tower? How gorgeous. And it actually says Louis Vuitton in here. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. But look how cute that is with the palm trees. And because I go to Bali a lot, this reminds me of frangipanis. I don't know what that flower is. Comment below if you know. But look, it's very cute, very cute. And then on the back, open, that was the front. This is the back. So it's pretty much the same print. Yeah, with the Eiffel Tower with a few little, like, what I call Balinese huts. Hopefully my camera is picking that up beautifully. So that's really cute, but again, for a handbag, too busy for me, whereas this by the pool was just the colour scheme, you know, and I really love that. So I just want to show you what the pages look like. So the interior, or the first page, has Louis Vuitton, and it has a little who this belongs to, like you're at school. But the paper is just ruled. Let me see if I can zoom in. And it has Louis Vuitton Paris at the bottom of every single page. And so they're all like that. The ends of the pages are orange, goes with the theme. And yeah, it's really cute. I think too, this was actually really reasonably priced, and it's actually a bit larger than I thought, which is cool. I don't think it was more, it was definitely under 200 Australian dollars. I want to say like maybe 150, 120. I should know it, I'll try and put it below. But I thought it was cute, but I want to show you something. Yeah, I thought so. So this is what I bought, one of the Christmas ones, I think Christmas last year actually. Have something in it. And this has the gold, and this was a lot more expensive, and I can tell you it deserves to be, because this canvas is beautiful. I'm not sure what this is, but it feels, I don't want to say cheap because it's lovely, but it feels cheaper, I suppose, is the what I want to say. This feels like, this is going to sound really silly, this feels like a notebook you would actually use. This notebook I have because I love it and for the looks, and it's collectible for me. And also, sorry, I just do have things sitting in this notebook. Oh, funny, I made myself into a cartoon. That was in there. This has the beautiful pink. And the other thing that I noticed, let me check, yes, when you look at the lined paper, and I'm not going to be able to show you this probably, see, it's thicker, it's better quality paper, and it's still ridiculous to spend more than $5 on something you're just going to write notes in, right? But it's not about that. It's about having a piece of Louis Vuitton. It's about having something that can sit and look really cute in your office, and if you want to use it, awesome, you only live once, go for it. But I would tend to say pay for this one, which might have been, I'll get the price, it might have been, you know, $100, which I know is crazy, but it is Louis Vuitton, it's something you can keep. And versus this one, which I think this was about $500 or $600, this is stunning. I would still buy this one, even though you can buy 5 of these, I would still buy this one, because I just love it. I get a lot of enjoyment. Every day when I'm working, this sits in my office and I really enjoy looking at it. Interestingly enough, size-wise, this one's quite tall. I don't know what the size is, but yeah. Let me grab my agenda covers and see if this fits in it. It's like Paul or something. Anyway, I don't use this one anymore, and I made my own books to fit in it, but I do love it. Let me see if it would fit in here. No. See how it's going to stick up the top? So that's a no. The Demira Bean with the Louis Vuitton stickers on it. This is the agenda cover. So in the large, this is full. Okay guys, we have success. So this agenda, which I've just taken on the books I use out, with the exception of some notes, I put this notebook in it, and it definitely fits. So it tucks in to there, and then you can open it up, or you could do it on that side as well. But that definitely fits. So I mean, how cute does that look, right? Bit of pop of colour. That's cute. Let me try one more thing. So the other notebook I have, agenda cover, is this one, but I've just realised, of course, it's not going to fit in here because this one has the rings. So, but it might fit back there. Only problem is I probably wouldn't do that. I would if it was a cheaper book. So I would say it's a no. You could, of course, just put it in there. Reason I wouldn't is because these rings will damage the book. So I would say no to this one. This is the Ring Agenda. I'm so pleased I bought this one. This one I use every day. I mean, every day I write. I'm basically paperless in my workplace, but I do write my own notes and my own meeting agendas and what's happening and things that I personally want. And so I do use this every day. And in fairness, even though I do have Louis Vuitton, that was the first time I ever bought it, the agenda cover, which honestly was about the price of this. And I like it, but I don't use the agenda paper. I use more the front cover. What I do is I purchase, I know this sounds so babyish, but I purchase on Amazon or whatever, this paper, which fits perfectly, and it's like $5 and it's cute, so that's a to-do list. And then for my notes, I purchased this cute paper which fits so perfectly and brings joy. So I do have Louis Vuitton in here, but I tend to not really use it. I do like having that agenda cover though. So I might just put a sticker over the year when it's not 2024 anymore, which I've just ordered. I think it's really nice. I like that I've got it because it's something from the By the Pool collection, given I don't really want anything else. And it cost me only, a small amount of money. But if you were asking me, you only wanted one notebook and you wanted it to keep and be beautiful, I would still buy this. I love this, and I may even buy another one this Christmas, depending on what they have. Look, I don't use it. I don't know why, because what's the point of just having it? But I just like having it. Whereas I may actually write in this one. I really might. But yeah, interesting size difference. So yeah, I really love this one. I love Vivienne so much. I love all these prints, and as you know, I have lots of little pieces with this, and I just love it. Every year, randomly talking, I every year take my Felici to Bali with me, because it's like just little, all I take, when I'm in Bali I don't even use a purse. I use one card, the Wise Green cards, and I put my sunglasses and a lippy, and that's it. I don't really use anything. And I put then the Balinese money, So my Felici is perfect for that if you take the inserts out. So I'm thinking of this year, if there's a cute addition to the Christmas, I might buy a Christmas Felici. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you that. I wanted to compare to this one and show you in the agenda covers. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Tell me if you've bought any of By the Pool collection and what your thoughts are. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you for my next unboxing or Temu. Okay, bye everyone. Bye.